So what's the illegal trick? It's called active recall. This is when you don't look at the answer. You force your brain to remember it. Sounds simple? It's brutal. But it's exactly how your brain builds connections. Instead of reading the textbook 10 times, read it once, then close it. Ask yourself, okay, what did I just learn? If your brain struggles, perfect. That's where the magic happens. Each struggle is a spark that strengthens your memory. You're basically telling your brain, hey, this information matters. Keep it. I used to spend 3 hours reading biology notes. Now, I read once, make flashcards, and quiz myself. Guess what? I remember 3 times more, in half the time. That's why it feels illegal. Because you're skipping the pain of repetition and going straight to retention,